2026 is the best year to start video editing. Why? Because demand is exploding and most editors still don't know what they are doing. If you learn the right skills, use the right tools and follow the right strategy, you can earn 20,000 to 2 lakhs per month as a beginner editor. So in this video, I'm giving you a real practical roadmap. What skills to learn, which software to start with, what projects to practice, where to find clients and money. No motivation nonsense, only pure value. First, learn the right skills. Video editing is not just cutting clips. You must learn these 5 core skills. Just basic editing. Cut, trim, transitions, color corrections, audio cleanup. Just start with CapCut or VN editor. If you are using PC, use Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve. Choose any of them you feel comfortable with. Then, storytelling. Good editors don't just edit. They control the emotion. They control the overall vibe. Practice editing blogs, podcasts or interviews. Just focus on the flow. Focus on to build the emotion, which can be background music, which can be your storytelling, cutting clips, tips or like anything. Just you have to control the emotion and flow the motion. Third, short form content. In 2025 or 26, short form content are everywhere. People don't watch long content many more or many time. Now people are like to watch the short content more than the long form videos. So reels, wide short, TikTok style videos, you can try to edit. Highest demand in the India right now. Learn subtitles, motion graphics, zoom, memes. Fourth, sound design. 50% of the video experience is audio. Use sound effect. Find the right music for the vibe. Clean voice and remove background noise. You can use various editing sites like Adobe or like many more sites are available. You can use them to remove the background noise and make your audios better, right? Even right now I am not using any mic. I am using audio enhancer to enhance my audio quality and you can listen my audio, right? Thumbnail and social media basics. Client expect editors who understand the social media basics, the psychology behind the thumbnails. Try to think as a viewer. Why people click in this video? Why people watch this video till the end? If you like your first 1 minute or 60 minutes or 10 seconds is very slow, nothing are happening on the screen, then you make the viewers bored and they will scroll your video, right? So you have to make the first 50 seconds for shorts or 1 minute for the long videos. You have to make those part engaging. How much you can do? So hook the audience. So if you master these 5 skills, you are already better than 70% of editors. Now let's go into the second point, create practice projects. Don't just wait for clients, practice publicly. A travel blog, a podcast clip, a motivational reel, a commercial style product video, a cinematic edit from random clip. Upload each one to YouTube or Instagram. Every post shows that your portfolio is growing. So yeah, build a professional portfolio. Trust me, no fancy stuff needed. Create a simple Google Drive or website just using your 5 to 10 top videos. Short form, long form, commercial edit, before after edits, testimonial if available. When you show direct results, client will trust you. But what if you don't get any clients? So next point is for you. So here's the most practical strategy. Search on YouTube plus Instagram, podcast plus India, motivational shorts, gamers India, or you can use ChatGPT. Like find some podcast niches and search them onto YouTube and then filter out the podcast by time, upload time. Then collect those email ID and then reach out to them. Right, hey, I edited your one-up clip. If you like it, then let's work together and attach your edited reel. So I got my first client just using these tips. You can also target small businesses because everyone needs social media presence in 2026. Gyms, restaurants, fashion stores, educators. Just start with 500. Then you can slowly increase your price. If people find you valuable, then they will ready to pay you. If you save their time, if you provide any value, they will return to pay you, right? So first you have to show the value, upskill and earn more. Once you get a stable income, then learn some advanced skills, motion graphics, color grading, 3D graphics, AI editing tools. If you're not using AI in 2026, then you will not be a good editor. You will not be a efficient editor in 2026. So you have to use AI in your daily editing, right? So 2026 is your another chance. So start now and remember, don't try to be perfect. Just try to better than yesterday. Or if you want a full 30-day learning roadmap, just watch this video. So this for today. I'm Susan signing out. See you in the next video.